Hey there! Are you ready to learn about the engineering process? Great! Let's start by imagining that we want to build a catapult. First, we need to plan. This means figuring out what materials we'll need, how big we want the catapult to be, and what we want it to do. We might draw sketches, or make a list of parts we'll need. Next comes the building stage. This is where we put all our plans into action, and actually construct the catapult. We might use wood, screws, and rubber bands, to create a framework that will launch our projectile. Once we have our catapult built, we need to test it. This is where we see if it actually works the way we intended. We might use small balls, or even marshmallows, as our projectiles, to see how far they go, and how accurately we can launch them. After testing, we'll probably find that our catapult needs some improvements. Maybe it's not launching the ball as far as we wanted, or it's not very accurate. This is where we can make changes, and try again. We might adjust the tension on the rubber bands, or change the angle of the launch pad. Finally, we'll test our catapult again, to see if our improvements worked. If they did, great! We have a working catapult. If not, we might need to go back to the planning stage, and figure out what we can do differently. So there you have it, the engineering process. Planning, building, testing, making improvements, and testing again. It's an iterative process, which means we go through it again and again, until we get the result we want. And who knows, maybe someday you'll be an engineer, and create something even more amazing than a catapult.